mwauka bwanji, mwachoma bwanji, depending on the time that you're going to watch this video. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Body parts in Nyanja is what we're going to look at today. So this is the Lusaka Nyanja, Chinyanja cha mu Lusaka. The simple Nyanja. It's not Chewa, it's not Chinsenga. So don't go to the comment section and say, no, this is not how we say Hedi in Nsenga. No, people, this is the simple Nyanja cha mu Lusaka. So let's go straight into today's video. Hands. In Chinyanja, 1 is kwanja, then 2 manja. 1 kwanja, 2 manja. Put your hands together. Faka manja pamodzi. Faka manja pamodzi. So put is faka. So faka manja pamodzi. Mouth. Mouth. Kamwa. Kamwa. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Segula kamwa. Segula kamwa. So opening is kusegula in Chinyanja. And then for the teeth, tooth is lino. Tooth, lino. Teeth, meno. Okay, so tooth, lino. Teeth, meno. Neck. Neck, nkosi. Nkosi. Then the head. The head in Chinyanja we say mutu. Mutu. So for example, my head is paining or I have a headache. In Chinyanja we say mutu ubaba. Mutu ubaba. Ears. Ears. In Nyanja, matu. Matu. I have 2 ears. Nili na matu awili. Nili na matu awili. Nose. Nose. In Nyanja, mpuno. Mpuno. He has a big nose. In Nyanja, alina mpuno ikulu. Ali na mpuno ikulu. So big is ikulu in Chinyanja. Eyes. Eyes. 1 linso. 2 menso. Menso. Open your eyes. Segula menso. Segula menso. So open in Nyanja is kusegula. So segula menso. Legs. Legs. In Chinyanja, 1 is kwendo. Kwendo. 2 mendo. Mendo. Move your legs. move your legs. In Chinyanja, fendeza mendo. Fendeza mendo. So moving is kufendeza. Kufendeza is moving. So fendeza mendo. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know what you think about the video in the comment section below. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please use subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you get a notification every time I post a new video.